Connecting the Fume-A-Vent simple drop system to a vehicle exhaust tailpipe is easy as 1, 2, 3. Number 1, release the rope clip to lower the lifting elbow. Number 2, disconnect the lifting elbow from the rope clip. Number 3, remove the red plug from the tailpipe adapter and connect it to the tailpipe. To disconnect and store the system, simply reverse the process. Disconnect, insert the red plug into the tailpipe adapter. Connect the lifting elbow to the hanging rope clip. Pull the rope and connect the clip to the eyelet.